Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to upload a 360 pano into your Facebook page. So first we're going to go to your Facebook page and click Photo and Upload Photo. So now you want to find that pano image or the 360 image in your documents. So I just double click it, and as you can tell there's a 360 pano icon, which means it's acknowledging that it is a 360 picture. So while that is loading, you can go ahead and make a caption. I like to just say check out my new listing and let the audience see the picture as a sneak peek. Now you can edit those settings and set up a opening image. So you just drag this around until you find something that you would really like to highlight. So I'm going to start with the outside view and just click Save. And it just takes a second to save. And now you're ready to publish. Once it uploads, the viewers can drag the image around, look up, down, and all around. And this is a feature that comes with the TruFusion 3D Virtual Tour or the spins that you can add to your floor plan tour.